Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag, and this one is Polybag 7808. This is the Creator Yellow Airplane. Now, if you enjoyed this kind of video, please think about subscribing because my plan is to make one of these videos a day, every day, for the foreseeable future. And also, I've made a bunch of these videos previously, so there are plenty out there already if you like this kind of thing. Now, if you're interested in this particular set, I've included a link in the description where you can find this set on Amazon as well as on Bricklink. And I've also included the brick set description, or a link to the brick set description, where you can find out just general information about the set itself. Alright, so let's see. That looks about right. Let's take a look. So this is kind of it's a relatively small set at 34 pieces, but I'm kind of interested to see how this one looks, because I've noticed that a lot of the micro, like plane type things, they're not, I don't know how to put it, they're always, one thing I've noticed is they always seem bigger, they seem bigger than I expect them to be, if that makes any kind of sense. Alright, so this is supposed to stick off like that, and then I got this, and these two. I guess they're going to be, I wonder what these are supposed to be. I don't necessarily think they really look like guns. They seem kind of, I don't know, it's kind of weird though. Yeah, it doesn't look gun-like. Alright. So we got that. And then we got a pop. Well, actually, let's do this in order. So this goes on right here, like so, and then these pieces like that. Well, this is one of the, I'm pretty sure this is one of the earlier creator sets, and I feel like the creator sets have improved dramatically. So, like this one, like this move right here. Y'all see that? Anyway, so what we have is there's two studs and then a blank spot where two studs would be, and then two more studs. And then we're supposed to basically put this there with three of these jumpers, where one of the jumpers isn't going to be attached to anything except for the underside of this 1x3 slope. That's just like a weird choice. It feels like a strange choice to me, because there's nothing attached to that middle one except for the spot right down there. I don't know. It just kind of strikes me as a little weird. I'm not really a fan of that kind of thing. It just feels like they should have done a little better with that particular aspect of the build. Alright, so we got a couple of white cheese slopes, and then a couple of yellow cheese slopes, and then see, white cheese slope, yellow cheese slope. Oops, they're trying to escape. We got those, and then so let's sort of line this up a little bit. I got these, which are going to be the space for the cockpit, and then this is going here, and then our cockpit is going to be these two smoke colored cheese slopes. Technically, I think they're like black translucent. One of those two. So we got that. And we have like a little red light we're putting on the wing for good measure. Or not a wing, but on the tail. Like that. And then we have the motor. I'm assuming this is supposed to, oops. This is supposed to be reminiscent of, maybe they're like, maybe these things are like exhaust. So this is supposed to be for the motor. We have a 2x2, which is there to hold this section on, which to prevent me accidentally doing like I did where I popped it off. And then we have 2 more white cheese lobes for the front part. And then we're going to have, oops, and then we're going to have the propeller. Then we just pop the propeller on the front. Alright, it doesn't look too bad. Extra pieces wise, we have these. We have 4 cheese slips of various colors. So, it doesn't look too bad, I guess. I mean, it's not like a spectacular build, but I'm not like profoundly disappointed by it either. I feel like it's sort of just average. And maybe that's just because it's one of the older ones. Because this is from 2000, this is, well, it says copyright 2009. So, this is one of the older creator ones? Anyway, I don't know, what do you think? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope you all have an excellent day.